Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about massive moves in the next few days. Take it from me, I'm here to give you all the good things you need. Welcome to the YouTube channel. This is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel, and on this channel I talk about how to make money, how to save money, and how you can grow your money by multiplying it. And one of the ways that we do this is making money from the US stock market. You can't work all the days of your life, but your money can surely work for your children and work for your grandchildren. All right, so let's get into today's video. Please help this video to reach other people. People need to see this video, so help me strike on the like button, like this video, drop a comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I promise you there is nothing you will get but premium, beautiful, amazing money making moves. So let's get on to today's video. But I want to talk about something. Okay, so I got a message from somebody. The person says, "Hi Julia, I have so much debt. I don't know where to start from. Is there any way your program can help me?" All right, so this is where most people like me started. Like most people you see that have made some money, we actually started not having money, having been in debt, stuff like that. So the truth is, we are going to start from managing your money, because first of all, if you are not if the money you're making every month, you don't know what happens, like how you spend it, you're going to start with learning how to manage your money. You're going to create a list of your need and your wants. Okay, class is in session, so you need to get your biro and your pen and your book and write something down. You're going to learn how to manage your money by writing down what are your top priority needs and what are your wants. Your needs are the things that, like your rent, your subscription, like your light bills, things like school fees, food, groceries, the things that you must do. Then the wants are things that they're not really important. When there is money, you can do them, but when there is no money, you need to keep them aside. Then you need to look at how much is coming in, and then look at your expenses, see if they are fitting in, and then from there you'll be able to start removing a little money, start saving up a little money. When you save a little money, you can put the money to go and work for you and bring returns. I hope this is something that I don't know where you are at your life, but I think maybe you may be needing this, because there are a lot of people are not born with money. So there are actually two groups of people. For me, I feel like there are people who are born with money and they don't know how to manage their money, and there are people who are born with money and they know how to manage money. So sometimes, for me, this is a perfect time for you to sit and reflect before the year ends, so that you will know that there are things you need to do. And that is one of the things we do in the community. In the community, we teach you how to save money, how to manage money, and how to multiply your money. So if you're interested, you can come on board and join the Money Circle group community. Okay, we are doing amazing things there. So let's get on to today's video. I told you today I'm going to be discussing massive moves in the next few days. So let's get on to what I taught us last week. Last week I mentioned Tesla, and Tesla did exactly what we wanted it to do. All right, so this is Tesla, and last week Tesla did amazing things. So this is a brand new week. Last week Tesla touched 243, and I told us that Tesla was going to go down, and it surely did its thing. So Tesla did amazing wonders, and I'm still working on it this particular week. Okay, let's get into the charts. So this is Tesla. Tesla hits. I told us that whenever there is a double top, you can see there was a top here, it touched 343, it touched it again. So whenever they have this double top, the stocks mostly drops, and it came down to 231 range. You can see that. So like I told us before, that whenever you miss the top, wait for it to go down again and you grab the opportunity back. Let me clear up this. So now that it touched here, you can see it has touched it so many times. I also see this stock touching this one more time. I see this stock coming down to $231 before going back up to 240. and $246. Okay, so if you have the opportunity, you can do that. Grab it, target it at 231 or below, and then ride it to 244, and this will give you about $13. This is amazing. This can give you about free $13 that you can use to do so many things. And this is for someone who has for one share. If you have money for 10 shares, you will be able to do this and get $130. So these are easy ways you can get in $100, getting $1,000 in a month. I'm going to share another one with you. All right, hang on. And this is the second one, SoFi. SoFi is one of my favorite stocks. This stock it's actually a bank stock, but this is the stock that I'm involved in paying student loans in America. So it's one company I really love. In the Discord, in our group community, in the money circle, I gave out this point that is going to touch 6.60 to 6.40, and see, since then it has touched 7.20. This stock can get to $8. Now, how do you make money in this period? Like you need some cash and you are thinking, how do I make some money? Now let me explain to you. Even if you didn't get it at 6.40 and you got this stock at say $7, and then you're able to ride it, just have patience and ride it to $8. It may take a while, it may take a week, it may take 2 weeks, it may take 3 weeks, but if you have patience, this is money you make not doing anything. So when you buy it, you just go and rest. When it touches it, that's when you sell it. So imagine that you have invested $100 in this. It will get you about 14 shares, right? And if it moves from 7 to 8, that's $14. Now, for someone who has $1,000, you're going to get 144 shares, 144, and with this, you're going to make $144 dollars. So this stock is amazing. This is one particular stock that can easily make you money. There are people who are so busy, they don't have time to go into the market, study, do all these things. If you're able to get this type of opportunity, and in a month you're making, that's about 14% of your money every single month. This is clearly one lazy way that people make money. All right, so this is that one I wanted to talk about. Another stock I'm going to mention is Palantir. This is Palantir, and this is what I enjoy. You see, from 21 it has dropped down to 19. So let me even show you something. This was yesterday, the last 24 hours. You can see this stock dropped to around 18.65. So I gave this call out in our community and asked people to go and buy it. Imagine getting it at 18.70, and you just have patience, and then you ride this stock to $21. Amazing, right? I'm sure you're just calculating. So if you have maybe $100, this can get you about 5 shares. If it moves $2, you get $10. If it moves $3, you get $15. If it moves $4, you get $20 with just your $100. These are easier and simple ways you can make money. This is Palantir. I still see it today coming down to this same zone. When the market opens today, I still see this stock dropping down to this place before heading up again. So this is another stock that I'm giving you massive moves in the next few days. We are going to come back and we're going to do a review of all the stocks that I'm mentioning, and also keep in mind the SQQQ I talked to us about. Okay, hello. So I'm going to talk about SQQQ. All right, so understand that this stock has dropped from 22 down to 15. Now this is the stock of, for me, this is stock you can use to enjoy your Christmas. Now you can ride this stock from $16 to $22. That is how much? $6 move. amazing if you have the patience. See, stock market will favor you when you have patience. You know your levels, you know where to play the game, you know where to enter, you know where to buy, that's enter, you know where to sell, exit. So this is important. Imagine this stock, you're getting it here and then you're riding it all the way to 22. So if you have 10 of these shares, you just get yourself $60. This stock is called SQQQ. I love this stock. I've been talking about it for some weeks now. It has just been consolidating. You can see, let me show you something. You can see this stock since 10th of November to 20. Today is 28. It has been hovering around 15. So it's called consolidation. It's preparing to take off, to go up. Mark this and keep it, locked in. Make sure you're patient. You're taking my exact information, all the things I'm sharing with you. I made a lot of research. These are the little ways, easy ways, simple ways to make money while you are still doing your 9 to 5, you're still running your business. These are simple things you can do and let the market win the money for you. This is pure passive income, money you earn doing almost nothing. Okay, so this is where I'm going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed today's session, and I'm going to be coming all the way back to share with you some more juicy information as we prepare to step into December. I want you all to make money you can use to do something for yourself in December. I want you to get prepared. Any amount of money you have, from $100 and above, you don't need to even join the group if you don't want to. If you're watching these videos, you can grab one or two information that can change your life. Then you can see a need to join us in the community because there's so much you're sharing in there. So this is where I'm wrapping it up today, and I hope to see you in the next video.